Hey, let's talk about the latest crypto news. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. Again, my name's Austin. If you're new to me, consider hitting that subscribe button below and definitely drop a like on the video if you would please. So, the crypto news I want to talk to you about, and you notice the title of the video was Big Finance Does Not Want You to Know This. I'm going to show you something and have a narrative, have a discussion with you kind of around what I'm seeing going on in traditional finance and this just very weird anomaly kind of propaganda machine that they have, and we'll talk about all that here in just a minute. Okay, so right now crypto continues to be up 3%, looks good. Bitcoin continues its run up 3.3, Ethereum up 1%, Solana definitely up, kind of beating everything else. But outside of that, a little flat. 1%, 222. Well, near protocol doing its thing. But if you kind of resort on this, Phantom is the top mover out of the top 100 by up about 18-20%. It was actually up 20% just earlier. So here's what I want to show you, and I want you to kind of read this. Look, this is from watcher.guru. Just in, Vanguard hires BlackRock's global head of ETFs, Salim Ramji, as new CEO. Vanguard banned all spot Bitcoin ETFs from their platform in January. Okay, why am I pointing this out to you? Why is this a thing? Here's what this is. This is not me trying to say there's some grand conspiracy going on or anything like this. No. Here's what it comes down to. The vast majority of Wall Street, I think, saw the spot Bitcoin ETFs coming, and a lot of them took this approach of that's going to fail, or it's not going to be that big of a thing. And I think everybody, including us, even in crypto, was shocked by how well the spot Bitcoin ETFs went. Okay. And have continued to go. And the billions and billions and billions of dollars that have flown in and all that kind of stuff. Okay. But inside of that, there's these real interesting stories playing out, like this one, where Vanguard was famous. I mean, there was news content everywhere for saying, "Hey, we don't believe in this crypto thing. We think it." And by the way, and then the spot Bitcoin ETFs came out. Boom! They popped, and then all of a sudden, their CEO was kind of stepping down. Wasn't fired, but hey, he's just gonna kind of go do his family thing and kind of, he's just kind of, blah 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 blah. And now, Vanguard, one of the more notorious ones for we don't have anything to do with it, is hiring the head of the ETF from BlackRock as their new CEO. Do you see it? This is happening everywhere, guys. This is happening everywhere. You see this narrative playing out where traditional finance is looking at the dollars. They're looking at the opportunity. They are now seeing it, and they are doing everything they can to get into crypto in the next 5 minutes. It's not happening right now. It's not like they've bundled up all these products, these crypto products, and they're going to sell them to you right this minute. No, these are backroom meetings. These are, high-level executive meetings happening in all of these top huge traditional trading companies going, we have to get into this. We need to do our own spot Bitcoin ETF. We need to do this. We need to figure out how to create other crypto products and go sell them to our people so that we can do what? Make a ton of money. Okay. I've been screaming this at you for years now that they're coming. They're here. They're coming even more. And the main reason that traditional finance wants in is to do what? Is to sell you products, is to make money. I mean, let's call it what it is. That's what it is. I mean, I'm not faulting on them for that. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I just want you to see it. That's really what it really comes down to. Okay. So I just want you to see it. All right. So that's really what I've got for you in that main part. On another note, hey, look, I've got to give a shout out. My trading indicator software is over here making people a bunch of money. You can see 2 days ago, it gave a buy alert for Bitcoin. It's up 6%, $1,000 bought. You would have made some really good money on that. Bottom line, I'm just trying to make sure that you're aware of this. And it's firing everywhere. Pepe, even if you don't trade in meme coins, look, 54% up in the last 14 days. $1,000 of Pepe bought 14 days ago off the buy alert for my software would have made you a profit of $540. Okay, so that's what I want you to know. It's out here. Dogecoin. There's one out through 3 days ago. It's up 8%. But look at this one here, just a while ago. There to there, 16%. These are great little ways to make profit along the way. So my trading indicator software, links in the description below. Okay, 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee. So you have nothing to lose. You're protected by this refund guarantee. And the software costs $1 a day with the discount code down there. So give it a look. Take it for a test drive. The thank you page right here is got like 8 videos that are about a minute long a piece. It walks you step by step through everything you need to get up and running and get the alert set so that you can start taking action and making money. Because there's a lot of money to be made right now just buying and selling crypto off of these. Like, for example, these buy and sell alerts. This is Pepe. Buy it, and then there's not been a sell alert, so it's not the right time. Okay. And people are already massively in profit using the software. So links in the description below. Check it out. Pick it up. 30 days, no questions asked. I'll see you.